Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you how we can use Angular 4 in Angular 14 or any older version. You can also use the same way. So this is the chapter 17 for Angular video series, and before proceeding I would like to request you guys, please go ahead and subscribe my channel if you have not done that. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so this is the syntax how we can use the ngFor. Okay, so you can see here inside the paragraph tag we can use ngFor as an attribute which starts with star ngFor equal to, and then inside it we can put let, then item is a variable name, and off from item list will be the list from which I want to for which I want to run the loop. Okay, and we can access that item by using the interpolation. Okay, so now let's see how we can use it in the Visual Studio Code. So here is the same where I had left in the last video. So this is the app component module, and let me remove all these things from here. Okay, now I will save it. Now I will go to HTML, and here I will remove this one class. You can see this is the running, okay, red color. So let me remove this and also remove this style from here. Okay, and now here I will create one h4 tag. Okay, and here I will use ngFor by putting a star, and then I will use ngFor, and here I will use first let to declare a variable. Here I will use item. Okay, let item of item list. So what is the item list? We have here item list as slice array. So this array, with this array I'm going to use, implement, show you in this list first. Okay, just let me copy once more. Okay, slice array. Okay, yeah, we can get it in the IntelliSense. So you can see slice array is coming here. Okay, and now so this is like this we can use, and here I can use the value of item, you can see, and now I will save it, and I will go here, and you can see it's coming, the array items is coming here. Okay, so like this we can easily access the any loop and show it here in the HTML template file. Okay, in the same way, suppose we'll have multiple loops. So let me bring this array object from the copied item. Okay, I will save it, and here it is the array object, and this time I will try to render it, okay, instead of this slice array. So let me take one more variable here. I will name it as h3. Okay, and here again I will use ngFor. Okay, and here let item of the name was array object. Okay, so here it will come array object. Okay, and in the same way we can also access the item. Okay, and here you can see I have accessed the item, but here we have like you can see inside the item we have, item is basically an array, and inside this array we have an object here. So if we want to access like items which is available inside the object, then we need to use dot operator here. Okay, so what I will do here, I will add dot, and you can see it is giving me the suggestions what I want to use. So I will put here as a name. Okay, so like this you can use name. Okay, and now you can use here age, and here you can use age, and in the same way we can also use designation. Okay, and here it will be designation. Okay, and we can simply go here and we can see this is coming like this. Okay, as expected it is coming here. Okay, so you saw here how we can use ngFor to manipulate the data in the UI. Okay, so like this you can use anywhere in the HTML, okay, in the Angular actually, in a template file. So I hope guys you learned something new in this video. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please feel free to comment in the comment section. You can also give me suggestions or feedback so that I can improve my video, so and it will help you to learn better. Okay, yeah, so that's guys, see you in the next video.